What's up everybody, D'Angelo here, and I'm just making this video to show you that you can make money with money. Okay, now a lot of people don't know, but you can actually get paid to take pictures of money. You can make money with money. I mean, it's extremely easy. So one way is you can actually get one of these as well. It's a little stamper. So this is good for CPA, MLM, all type of stuff. So what you can do is you get one. And there'll be a link below. You can get one from like Vistaprint or something like that and edit it, to make it whatever you want to say. But you go like this, and as you can see, it's a little stamp. It says start today. I didn't stamp it hard enough. As you can see right there, start today, and it has the Team D'Angelo website. Okay, now if you get your right tracking and everything like this, you can actually track and see how many people click your link from the money and all that stuff. I mean, that's just simple. It's really easy. All I have to do is get a domain and forward it to like a Google shortener or something like that, or shorter URL. But I mean, it's extremely easy, guys. Now, okay, another way, like I said, was taking pictures. Okay, now people like money. Okay, people like money. People like money. Now, there are a lot of people online who don't have money. There are a lot of marketers online who don't have money. So you can actually take pictures for them. So let's say I wanted to just say this was MCA. Okay, I could just take this money here and just put it like this, and then just have like their name and their logo right there, and like just have like their name and their logo, and just have money around it. People will pay $80 per picture for that, guys. I mean, $80 per picture. I mean, it is amazing. Like, I mean, it is crazy that people will pay you, because I mean, you think about it. If you're an MCA and they make even one sale off your page, I mean, off your picture, I mean, they just made $80. So I mean, you might as well. I mean, you can. That's like the lowest people charge is $80 per picture for that. Okay, I mean, you can go on Fiverr. There are even sites that like do it professionally, like a little video like this video right here that I'm doing like this. Like there are videos, the places that make videos like just doing what I'm doing right here, and they charge like $150 per video, guys. I mean, you can make a crap ton of money just by having money. Like just by doing this video right here, you can make money. Well, I'm gonna jump on the computer and I'm gonna show you some of the websites and etc. What's up everybody? So we're on the computer now, and as you can see, this video is 17 seconds long. Like, look at this. This is just someone counting money, and it's $200, guys. $200 just for a 17-second video. I mean, it just crazy. Now think about it. Now if you're doing that, let's say you got a nice HD camera or whatever, you can do this too. I mean, it's just crazy. I mean, you can charge a lot less, you can charge a lot more. I mean, it's completely up to you. Like, people are buying these. I mean, it's like mind-blowing. Like, people do pay for this stuff though, guys. I mean, it is crazy. Like, just a video like this of doing that with money. Like, anybody can do that. Let's see how much this one is. Now watch, it's just gonna be a ignorant price, like just crazy. Look at that, $79 for a 13-second video. $79. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. This is someone burning a dollar bill. I mean, this is just crazy, guys. I mean, the money you can make just by taking pictures of money is unreal. I mean, look at that. $79 for a 9-second video of them just burning a dollar bill. Can you do that? Yeah, you can do that with your iPhone or whatever type of phone that you have. I mean, look at that. Crazy. And people are paying for it. Look at that. All they're doing is burning a dollar bill. That's it. They're burning the dollar bill, and look how much money they made off this. I mean, $79. Just off that. I mean, that is just amazing. It's crazy, guys. I mean, it happens. I mean, it is crazy. They are just burning money and making a lot of money from it. Like, it's just mind blowing. But I mean, it's crazy because it really does work, guys. I mean, you can take pictures of money, like I'm saying, and people will buy them from you. Like, it is what it is. I mean, people, like I said, depends on your prices and everything. Like I said, if they can sell a video here burning a dollar for $80, okay, you can definitely make your price up. Like I said, for the average
picture is normally around $80, you know. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to know how to actually, you know, make money online, you can come on over to teamdangelo.com and get your free 20 bucks here for the next spin. You basically get a free card in the mail, put 40 bucks on it, and they give you 20 bucks. And then, you know, you just sign up, guys. I mean, you can start making money. And you too can start, you know, taking pictures of money and, you know, making money like the other members and stuff like that, guys. I mean, it's really easy. Once you start making this money, once you start learning how to do all this, it's just gonna fold. I guess there's over 300 training videos, and you know, you're gonna learn how to do all of this. Alright, thanks for watching.